My vultures were supposed to bring the big idiot to me, but you'll do. Danny Phantom.
You know me?
Of course I know you. You're the ghost boy who uses his powers for good. Aren't you going to try to shove me into your ridiculous thermos?
I don't want to fight you.
No, you don't.
Get away!
So year one. Tell me, child, can you do this yet?
Years of practice, which you, unfortunately, have no time for.
The ghost boy is Jack's son?
Well, what do you know?